Greetings my fellow LEGO fans, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the third part of the classic Technic sets series. Well, series. Just wanted to show you three cool Technic sets I lent from a friend of mine who's sorting his childhood LEGO collection and is selling all his stuff. And yeah, just took some sets home to look for completeness, and so I thought, why not show it to you too, because there are some really cool things, and Technic is one of those things. So let's have a look at it. And the set of the day is this nice little bulky looking buggy. Really cool set, and it has the old cool boxes you could open in front. Already see the features, also the possibility of motorizing it, and could see the pieces inside. Really cool. And it also has a nice B model, and that's what I already have here. As I said, I took some of my friend's sets home to check them for completeness, and so of course easiest way, if you don't want to sit with a list of pieces, just build it. And as there are sometimes other pieces in the B model as in the A model, I also built the B models, and I can tell you it's complete. Really cool. And yeah, this little, don't know, hot rod or tractor pulling thing, don't know, is also complete. Stickers are fine. I think they're just the two. I think there would be one more, but it's not on the set because back then they had stickers that went over more than one piece, and that's no good idea, and my friend didn't put it on. I think it was the better choice, and I would say let's just have a look at the B model first, and then we'll go on from there. Yeah, well, not too much to say about it. Of course, Technic car wheel guard steering, fantastic, and it looks really cool, really nice. Even a seat for a Technic guy. This set doesn't come with one, but if you want, you could put one in. Well, maybe with the gears down there. Don't know if his feet would have enough room, but it looks really cool anyway. And yeah, don't know if you can see it, but when the wheels turn, the pistons are going up and down in the two cylinders. Really cool. Just love those pieces. They were great then, they are great now, they're always great. Fantastic. Yeah, and that's it pretty much already for the B model. And I know you also want to see the main build of this set, and so I would say let's simply tear this one apart and build the, well, let's say complete one. Yes, I think there are all parts used coming with this set. Yeah, and this slim instruction is enough for A and B model. Of course, there are a few steps where I have to look exactly where pieces have to go, but we could do it back then, and I managed to do it even today. Yeah! My old brain still can do it, and I'm pretty sure your brain could do it today too. And yeah, you just have more building fun when you're not spending 60% of the time building with flipping pages. Give it a thought. Yeah, so now let's simply tear it apart and build the other set. So, and here's what this set looks like taken apart. And lesson of the day: don't go sorting by color. They're just those 4 compartments, so I thought, yeah, just put them in there. You should think which pieces are most and which are fewest, so you take the right size of the boxes. But I think I'll be hating myself in just a few moments when I'm building this set, because this black heap ain't gonna be any fun to be looking for pieces. But yeah, I think I'll manage to do it. And yeah, here the stickers I told you before, which weren't placed. I think they're somewhere for the cockpit or something like that. But yeah, they go over 2 pieces, if I remember right from the instructions when I built it the first time. And those rigged hoses, after quite some time being shaped by the build, yeah, they look really used, but it's interesting how you can bend them into a rather nice shape again. Really cool. So now I would say let's dig into this box full of stuff and build the buggy. Yeah, and here's our finished buggy. Really cool with the steering, and of course we get the running pistons again. Nice little V-twin engine, and we also have a differential here. Really cool. Yeah, steering, simple. Turn on the top, axle goes down, directed to the front, and here it runs on a little gear rack. Don't know if you can see it. Somewhere in there. Yeah. Really cool build. Here I guess you could fit in a Technic guy, even 2. That's really cool. So they can go for a nice joyride. And yeah, that's pretty much all to it. I think the design overall is really cool. It's a bit bulky and looks rather massive and stable, and it is. really cool. We got the engine, we got the steering. What else could I ask for in such a little model? Maybe suspension, but that little amount of space, I think that would be really hard. Maybe with some rubber pieces or something like that, but not with the real springs. And yeah, really cool. And what I forgot to show you before with the B model, in the good old days there was also somewhat power functions, because they have the battery box, the little electric motor, and for the B model you even have the instructions how you could have it running. So you could make it go with the electric motor, but not the steering. There was a bigger set where I had a control for driving front and back and even steering. Really cool. I hope I can put everything together. It's been quite some time. It was beginning of the 90s, I think. End of the 80s? No, beginning 90s. Beginning to the mid 90s, I think. But it was a really cool set too. And yeah, so that's it for a little yellow Technic Buggy. Just cool. And for cars like that, this skeleton design absolutely works, as mostly they are nothing more. Yeah, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoy my videos and if you want to see what's happening next, you should definitely subscribe to my channel. And if you do so, you could also be informed whenever something new happens. Simply hit the bell button. Ding ding, and YouTube should inform you whenever something new happens. Yeah, I think next up could be maybe space. We'll see. Maybe something other in between. So if you want to be surprised, you should definitely stay tuned. Hope to see you next one. Bye bye.